I walk down this lane pretty much every day, and this morning I was walking down and I spotted this. Look, a little marigold growing all on its own in the grass verge. So I thought, I'll come back later and do a little video, a little photo of marigold and explain a little bit about it, and then come down now and all the hedges have been cut. Look, it's all been tidied up. I thought, oh no, they'll have got the marigold as well, but no, the marigold stands. It is triumphant against the tractor, which is a good thing. But marigold is a really, really lovely herb, especially for the skin. It's probably about the best skin food that we have. I've no idea why it's here, but I'd probably chucked some seeds on the earth in the winter, because I always end up with spare seeds in the garden. So I think, oh, maybe it'd be nice to have a few little flowers or something around there, and I chuck them on the earth, and really they never grow, but I can't imagine how else it might have got here. Really lovely anti-inflammatory herb, particularly for the skin, but also it's a nice liver tonic and lymphatic cleanser as well. So although it's working on the skin itself, it's working on the deeper causes behind any skin problems, which is usually related to toxicity and the need for a body to have a bit of a clean. When we have skin problems, they're never actually stemming from the skin, they're always coming from deeper in the body, and that's why when we use creams and things on their own, they tend not to work. So marigold is one of my very favourite herbs for the skin. We can make them into creams or ointments and apply them directly to the skin, and they're just a really good all-rounder for all kinds of skin problems. So you can use it in first aid for things like grazes and burns and eczema and things like that. And you can also use it for longer term skin conditions. What I do find sometimes is that when we give calendula internally for chronic skin conditions, they can flare temporarily before they improve. So that can happen with other herbs as well, but don't be thinking that just because calendula is a really gentle herb that you're not going to get things like that happening, because sometimes they do, and when that happens we need to be really supportive and really take care of our patients and maybe adjust the prescription or the dosage just whilst they get over that hump. So there is marigold or calendula for you, growing very happily in spite of the hedge cutting on the grass verge here on this beautiful lane. I will see you again soon. Bye.